Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about the top 5 NFT games you can play to earn crypto. If you're still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. So let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. NFTs are getting more attention as the cryptocurrency market grows around the world. NFTs are digital copies of real-world things like video games, music, and artwork that have real monetary values and can be bought with cryptocurrencies thanks to blockchain technology. In recent years, the NFT sector has made inroads into the multi-billion-dollar gaming industry, which led to the creation of NFT games. Several of these games offer large amounts of crypto assets as prizes. So here are 5 games you can play to get a chance to win Bitcoins. Thoughts Unchained is a free-to-play card game that combines traditional card trading games with elements from NFT games. For players to get high-value cards from other players, they have to win games. The high-quality cards can then be traded for cryptocurrency on the platform's marketplace. Since the game is based on the Ethereum blockchain, players must use that currency to make transactions. Sorare. This one is for all the soccer fans out there. Sorare is a fantasy soccer game in which players buy, sell, trade, and run a virtual soccer club. Digital cards based on the Ethereum blockchain are used to represent each player in the game. By putting together a team of football player cards and competing in tournaments, a player can win cash or Ether cryptocurrency. In this new game from 2018, players are rewarded with Ether tokens. Ethereum is the world's second most valuable digital currency. Evolution Land is a new world game where 26 continents are made up of the elements land: fire, gold, water, wood, and silicon. In a game where players go against each other, they have to do things like building, mining, and science. Users need to set up crypto wallets in order to send, receive, and manage crypto assets from other players and as game prizes. F1 Delta Time is an auto racing game based on the Ethereum blockchain. To play, players must collect fungible tokens, which are small, divisible tokens that can be added together to make larger crypto amounts like cars, drivers, parts, and souvenirs. The game pieces can also be sold as non-fungible tokens, kept or sold for Ether values. Z-Run is an NFT game about riding horses. Players must buy the NFT cards for the horse they want to ride. If a player wins a race, they can sell their NFTs for cryptocurrency and make a lot of money. The NFT gaming industry is expected to grow along with crypto, traditional gaming, and e-gaming. Statista, a research site, says that the global gaming industry will be worth about $200 billion in 2023. In 2021, the total value of the NFT market, or its market capitalization, was over $22 billion. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video, but you must take action to get results. The secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't also forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.